In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up bill due notifications in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open the Origin app and go to your settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Then, tap on Notifications to access your alert settings. Now, if your notifications page looks empty, that's completely normal. It simply means there are no active alerts available yet. Once Origin detects activity like recurring bills, budget updates, or insights, notification options will appear here automatically. When those options show up, you can turn on push notifications and email alerts to start receiving reminders. This includes bill due alerts, so you'll be notified before payments are scheduled. Just make sure to check back after you've added accounts or once the app starts tracking your spending, so you can enable notifications as soon as they become available. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.